Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can view your Snapchat recap, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to view your Snapchat recap on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and open up the Snapchat application on your phone. And once you're in Snapchat, now you're going to click onto this chat messages button. And then you'll have this Team Snapchat chat. You're going to open it up. And when you open Team Snapchat up, you'll have a text from Team Snapchat about your 2025 Snap Recap. You're just going to click onto that link. And when you click onto that link, you'll have your 2025 Snap Recap available on your homepage. So you're just going to click on it. So there it is, guys. There is your 2025 Snap Recap. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.